Wir, die STAMA Maschinenfabrik.
Here at the STAMA machine factory, we're a manufacturer of numerically controlled processing, milling and turning centers for productive and flexible machining. In developing the latest generation of our milling and turning centers, we've taken a highly innovative path. The result is the new MT733 series. Our customers can process everyone's workpieces, machining 6 sides completely using milling and turning processes. The workpieces become highly flexible through this process, fed as either rod or chucked components. For maximum productivity, we've integrated automation into the machine. With our long-term development partner Festo, we have set new standards. Thanks to the integration, our loading axes are located in the workroom, where they're constantly exposed to chips and coolants. The new ELGW axis has been designed precisely for this application area. Together with Festo, we've developed a special clean design. There's no chance that the chips can get stuck, and they're actively stripped during the operation. In this way, we've been able to significantly increase security of the process for the plant. For flexible production with the MT733, our customers need a variety of tools. The 2x64 tools in the machine magazine can be increased by another 240 tools in the background magazine. The background magazine, which we've developed together with Festo, possesses a modular structure and can be customized for all STAMA machines. With such a high number of tool changes, every millisecond counts. So in order to control the doors, we use the Festo motion terminal. This allows us to control the tool change doors highly dynamically and precisely. This saves time, reduces wear and tear, and increases the overall productivity of the machine. At the same time, we have to use energy efficiently. With the Festo energy efficiency module, we're able to reduce our compressed air consumption and provide the customer with the data in a cloud-based dashboard. Together, we've made the MT733 a success. At STAMA, we're of course working on the latest generation of machines and are also looking forward to an excellent professional collaboration with the Festo company.